Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac, and today we're going to be installing the drive shaft. So we had to get a new one. Well, we had already got a new one, but we had to get a new one because it didn't have a quick disconnect yoke. So it's here. It's time to install. If everything fits right, then we're going to hang the exhaust. Prayers. And then we're going to button up the car so we can do some testing. So let's get to it. First, we're going to put the slip yoke in. You just slide it on in. And then we're gonna get the drive shaft. Oh, okay. And transmission fluid. So I was gonna say, I think that was gonna be a two-person job, and it was. So on this side, we had a little bit of difficulty seating the yoke, but we have the straps on, and in order to be able to get the other side, you just like turn the wheel and this whole thing will turn. Obviously we scratched the heck out of it because this bolt right here, so every time you move it, it would do it. And then we got in on this side. Again, we had a little bit of problem seating. Right here should be a 3/4 of an inch to an inch, so it's a little bit more than we wanted, but it should be fine. So next we are going to hang the exhaust. That again is a two-person job, and let me tell you, I don't have any blood in my hands right now, so I'm really excited. Anyway, so most of it probably won't be done on camera. We'll see what it looks like afterwards, okay? Well, doesn't fit. So the transmission comes out a little bit farther, and what's happening is the mid pipe is coming and it's hitting the cross member because of it. So we're gonna just have to redo the mid pipe. We won't have to redo the rest, which is good news, bad news, you know, is what it is. So next we'll be buttoning up the car to get it ready for testing. So the car has been buttoned up, the wires are put up, and the seats put in so we can do the testing. So for the testing, we're gonna run through each gear with the TV cable plugged in. Then we're gonna unplug it, run through each gear, and then at 1500 RPM, we're going to pull the TV cable as far as you can go in each gear. Now this is a two-person job. I'll be pulling the cord because I'm afraid I'm gonna run through the garage or run through the garage at 1500 RPM. So let's get to it. I'll let you know the results. Luckily, the car turned on, so we did the test. There's a bunch of random numbers. We don't really know if they're right or not. We're gonna call Bowtie and make sure that these numbers match what the transmission ran whenever it was there, because they install it on a test vehicle to make sure of what the numbers are supposed to be for when you install it. So once that's done, then we'll be able to do the test drive in the next few days. So we'll know if we messed up the transmission or not. Hopefully not, right? So anyways, we'll see you next week. Make sure you comment and let me know anything that I did wrong, because we know I did. But also, I know this video was short because I couldn't even show you anything, so sorry about that. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next week.